Hey guys, welcome to today's video. On today's video we will be showing you how to make pre-cooked chicken just like the Indian restaurants. Before I do that, I would just like to say a massive thank you to everyone for watching our videos, liking, subscribing and sharing, so thank you. If you haven't already done so, go ahead, give it a like and of course subscribe with the notification on. Having said that guys, let's crack on with today's video, how to make pre-cooked chicken just like the Indian restaurants. So the ingredients I've got here, I have got chicken bite size. Well, I've cut them into bite size. These are chicken thigh pieces. During the restaurant they use chicken fillets. I find as I'm cooking at home I prefer eating the chicken thighs, so I've got those. It's about 800 grams there. I've got tomato puree paste and ginger and garlic paste. If you haven't seen our videos how to make these pastes, go ahead, see it. It's absolutely essential to cooking curries at home, just like the Indian restaurants. We've got some bay leaf, we've got cinnamon, and we've got our spices here. So what we have here is I've got half a tablespoon of cumin and coriander, and I've got 1 tablespoon of paprika powder. And I've also been using some haldi powder, some garam masala, and some curry powder, as well as oil and salt and so forth. So that's all the ingredients that we need to make our pre-cooked chicken just like the Indian restaurants. So let's go ahead and make that now. Okay guys, we're going to start our video how to make pre-cooked chicken just like the Indian restaurants. Just to make you aware, the chicken that we're going to cook is going to be lightly spiced, purely because when we actually cook it to order we add more spices. So this is going to be literally lightly spiced chicken. So we're going to start by adding a 3 chef spoon of oil, just going to cook these for a couple of minutes just for the fragrance to come out. Now I'm using a chef's spoon purely because I'm used to the measurements of the spoon, so hence why you may see me using different spoons. Going to add our ginger garlic paste. That's 1 chef spoon and a half. We're going to cook this for a couple of minutes until we can smell the aroma of the ginger and garlic. And if you haven't seen the video for how to make the ginger garlic paste with some coriander stalks, go ahead, see that. It's essential to making fantastic curry. It gives it an amazing flavour, guys. So they've been cooking for about 3 to 4 minutes now, and it smells absolutely amazing, delicious, and you can start seeing it's actually cooked. So what I'm going to do now is add our spices. I'm going to add some salt, about 1.5 teaspoons, half of turmeric powder. Here we've got our coriander, half a tablespoon, and cumin half, and we've also got 1 tablespoon of paprika. We've got our mixed curry powder, 2 will go in, and we've got our garam masala. Now I'm going to put in high heat and cook this spice out. Just been a couple of minutes. I'm going to add our tomato to it. 1, 2, or rather chefs do rather. There we go. Right, let's put this. What we're going to do now, we're going to cook this out for about 6 to 8 minutes, just to really get the flavours infused and get the rawness of the spice going. So this is a must. So take your time doing this process. As soon as the spice dries up or is catching to the pan, I am using a non-stick so it doesn't catch, but if you are using a normal pan or aluminium pans, and as soon as the spice catches onto the pan, just add a tiny bit of warm water and just keep cooking. Okay guys, so it's been about 6 or 7 minutes now. What I'm going to do is add our chicken. There we go. Now I'm going to put this back on high heat. I'm going to mix it well and keep cooking. So we're going to cook the chicken for about 4 or 5 minutes as it is. Once the chicken releases water, we're going to add some water. Just add enough water to cover the chicken. And now just leave that on medium heat for the chicken and the spices to cook out. Okay guys, so the chicken has been cooking for about 20 minutes or so now, and our chicken, pre-cooked chicken, is ready. So what we're going to do now, I'm just going to see that, there we go. And you can use this to make your chicken bhuna, chicken dansak, chicken jalfrezi, whichever chicken you fancy. I'll be making a dansak, so watch out for that video coming up. Yeah, so there you go. Just double check to make sure your chicken is cooked. One way you can do that is just by cutting into it. There you go. It's amazing. So yeah, so that's great guys, so thank you. This is how you make the pre-cooked chicken at the Indian restaurants. Please enjoy. So I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, it's Babel here from the Bengali Cook. Thanks ever so much for watching our videos, and listen up, please like and subscribe to our channels using the link below, and of course remember to set those notifications.